Row number 3. The 32X of Charlie Spry, along with the 718 car of Julie Heinrichs in row number 4. The 75 car of Justin Hawkins as the car corner Speedway ducks in, and here come the original Sixers, and they're underway. That blue car is the number 3 of Jay Kincaid. Taking a guess on that one out of Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, but regardless, out front, Hillary Steffen and that 8 car, followed by that 30C of Gary Cavan. And there is that number 3 car that creeped its way in there of Jay Kincaid.
The 14 car of Kim Whitlock just went way up on turns 1 and 2. She's having all kinds of trouble. Looks like she might, yep, she's going to pull it in the pits. We've got Stephen Hillary leading them around, followed by Gary Caven. I don't know who's that following car. What number car we got on that one here?
That is the number 3 of Jay Kincaid. Charlie Spy in that 32X car trying to do some maneuvering and hold off that 75 car of Justin Hawkins. Hawkins working on that top side in that 75 car. 5th place. Currently, though, Hillary trying to hang on against 33. Gavin, Gary, that is. Working on the low side.
Out there in that 718, it's her first time out in the car. That is Julie Henricks out of Rockton, Illinois, in a 2006 Chevy Impala, just going around taking it easy on the track.
Yeah, just trying to get some laps and figure that she's about to get lapped on this heat by the 08 car. Hillary Steffen. And it's going to be Hillary Steffen at the line. Caven on the second. Number 3 going to Jay Kincaid. Number 4 goes to that 75 car of Justin Hawkins, and rounding off your top 5 in that 32X of Charlie Spry.
This driver here, Stephen Hillary, no stranger to Rockford Speedway, used to be a former Roadrunner driver. Definitely knows his way around the Rockford Speedway. Ladies and gentlemen, give a warm welcome. It's the number 08 of Stephen Hillary.